Are you ready to harness the power of data without any coding? Many struggle to extract crucial information efficiently. Browse AI offers the perfect solution, allowing anyone from entrepreneurs to enterprises to scrape, monitor, and integrate data effortlessly. Imagine extracting the data you need with just a few clicks. That's right. Point and click to collect information from any website, automatically keep it accurate, and integrate it into your existing workflow. With Browse AI, you get AI-powered monitoring, ensuring your data is always up to date. Plus, with over 7,000 integrations available, you can connect the data to tools you already use. What sets us apart? Our intelligent system is built to adapt to website changes in real time. Traditional scrapers often break, but Browse AI ensures seamless data extraction. Join over 558,000 users who love Browse AI. Save time and scale your data extraction efforts with our user-friendly, no-code platform. Ready to transform your data extraction experience? Visit us today and start your journey with Browse AI. Your data simplified.